Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to compress your video file with a software which can be helping for you because many videos getting lots of space because of their video size, but this software can compress all the videos and it will reduce your video size. So let's jump to the topic. Okay, let's search Handbrake. This is the software, which is handbrake.fr website. Click on that and you can see the download option. Download Handbrake 1.6.1. click on that. It's already download started. After downloaded, we will install the software. You can see this file is only 22 MB, which is a very short software. Okay, now let's install this software. Let's finish. Let's open our app. Now you can see this UI is very simple. You just can import your folder or a single video. I will add a single video. You can see this file size is 5.79 GB, but I will compress my short video, which is 140 MB. You can select any of this. I will choose 1080p 30 fps and let's start encode. Now you can see the size. You can see 140 and this is 16.5. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.